So we're now going to look at the next step with our underlay. As mentioned in the previous video, we're going to be adjusting the underlay. You can see I've got adjusting the underlay complete open. You need to use adjusting the underlay.dwg from your working files if you want to follow along with the video. Now I've deliberately left it zoomed in exactly the same place as the drawings from the previous video. The reason being I want to show you how to move from here and adjust the PDF underlay that we've just brought in. I'm going to double click on the wheel on the mouse and do a zoom extent. Now if I roll back on the wheel a few notches, can you see, if you look real close, there's a line just there. Can you see it on the edge of the PDF underlay? Now I've inserted the PDF underlay at 0, 0. That's the black line there. Now if I go to the Home tab on the ribbon, you can see I'm on the XREFs layer, and that's the layer that the PDF has come in on as an underlay. But there's a line just there. Now what I need to do is I need to adjust that line where it intersects there down to this point here. Then everything lines up. Now you need to go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and make sure that your snaps to underlay are on. Then you can snap to the PDF underlay. So to adjust it, all we've got to do is select the underlay itself like so, click, and it'll give you all of these tools where you can display it in monochrome, for example, which does make it stand out quite nicely, I must admit. You can also, as per XREFs, create clipping boundaries and clip. We'll look at that later. You can also enable snaps in PDFs. Notice that is on at the moment. Notice I can also show the underlay and not show the underlay as well. So it all works very, very well. I can also edit my PDF layers by going into that particular one there. Now to adjust my PDF though, what I need to do is simply go to the Home tab, Modify panel, and Move. And I can snap to this point here. Now make sure your O snap is on. There's an endpoint snap there. I drag it down to 0, 0 there and click. That now adjusts. If I zoom out now, can you see that the outline of the foundation on the landscaping now all ties in as per the previous videos? So that's how you adjust the underlay when you're using a PDF in AutoCAD.